based on color of solution and conductivity experiment of the solution support the fact that there are two types of valency present in coordination compound. In all the experiment performed by the Werner, it suggests that metal always combine with, in all above experiment, cobalt combined with 6 different atoms or functional group and AgCl precipitate once this 6 atom or functional group combined with metal. Based on that, he formulated the tables and suggests that in any compounds, whenever in experiment 1, cobalt chloride treated with 4 mole of ammonia is result into the formation of CO NH3 Cl2Cl. In experiment 2, when cobalt chloride treated with 5 mole of ammonia is result into the formation of CONH3 Cl and 2 chlorine is remain outside the square bracket, whereas in experiment 3, when cobalt chloride treated with 6 mole of ammonia is result into the formation of CONH3 6 times Cl3, that is 1 mole of AgCl precipitate here, because 1 is Cl outside, here 2 Cl outside, so 2 mole, and here 3 mole of AgCl precipitate. So the atoms of functional group which is fixedly combined when COCl3 treated with 3 mole of ammonia, so 3 valency by ammonia and 3 valency by chlorine, so 0 AgCl get precipitate. Based on that, he confirmed the fact that there are two types of valency present in coordination compound, and he gave the term primary valency and secondary valence to that. Primary valence are those which is present outside the square bracket. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट कोऑर्डिनेशन एंटिटी के बाहर की तरफ रहेगा, whereas secondary valency are those which is present inside the square bracket. जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर रहेगा उसको सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी कहेंगे. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि पहले वाले के अंदर, दूसरे वाले के अंदर, तीसरे में, चौथे में, हर किसी में कोबाल्ट के साथ फर्स्ट में 4 एमोनिया प्लस 2 क्लोरीन, सेकेंड में 5 एमोनिया प्लस 1 क्लोरीन, 6 में ऑल 6 एमोनिया, फोर्थ वाले में 3 एमोनिया एंड 3 क्लोरीन. So all this variable number of primary valency which is present outside the square bracket, and primary valency is satisfied by negative ion, whereas secondary valency neutral or negative, it can be satisfied by neutral or negative ion. न्यूट्रल और नेगेटिव दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता था सेकेंडरी वैलेंस, बट प्राइमरी वैलेंस सिर्फ नेगेटिव हो सकते थे. दिस इज आउटसाइड द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. प्राइमरी वैलेंसी इज आयोनाइजेबल इन नेचर. आयोनाइजेबल यानी वो ब्रेक हो सकती है. आयोनाइजेबल इन नेचर, डिसोसिएट हो सकता था. वेयर सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी इज नॉन आयोनाइजेबल इन नेचर. ये डिसोसिएट होगी नहीं, मेटल के साथ परमानेंटली फिक्स हो जाएगी. नॉन आयोनाइजेबल इन नेचर. प्राइमरी वैलेंसी इज वेरिएबल इन नंबर. देखिए यहाँ पे 1 था, यहाँ पे 2 था, यहाँ पे 3 था, यहाँ पे 0 था. इट इज वेरिएबल इन नंबर. Whereas secondary valency is fixed in number. In all these experiments secondary valency कितनी है? 6 ही थी. So it is a fixed in number. Primary valency, based on primary valency, conductivity of coordination compound can be identified or derived. Conductivity value of complex compound depends on it. जबकि coordination number of a complex compound, coordination number and geometry, shape, that is geometry of complex compound depends on secondary valency. Primary valency, here primary valency attached with the complex by ionic bond. Attached with complex coordination compound with ionic bond. Whereas secondary valency attached with the complex by a coordinate covalent bond. Attached with metal via coordinate covalent bond. These are some of the important postulates of Werner's coordination theory. Werner's theory also suggests the fact that if we take the compound COCl3 dot 4NH3, then its result into the formation of CONH3 4 times Cl2Cl. This complex compound 1 mole of EgCl get precipitate, but this complex compound can exist in a 2 different variable or 2 different color. Color of one is green in color. One of them is found to be in a green color and second is found to be in a violet color. The reason behind that, even though it has the same molecular formula and same properties, the reason given behind that is the complex compound are also present in the form of isomers. These 2 different color of the same complex compound represent that this green and violet two are isomers. Isomers are those which is the same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement. So the terms isomers are also utilized by the Werner in his theory. In this way, Werner's coordination theory played a very important role in order to understand the coordination compound. He suggested that the valency which is fixed in nature is called as primary valency or secondary valency. Secondary valency is fixed in nature, whereas primary valency is variable in nature. That is, secondary valency is non-ionizable and primary valency is ionizable in nature. Hopefully you guys understand the difference between the primary valency and secondary valency, and based on that it will be very useful for us in a future understanding of other concept related to coordination compound. Please do subscribe the channel and enjoy your study with career. Bye.